pretty certain going forward I'm going to do all my filming indoors rather than outdoors. Right now in Florida, we're in the middle of hurricane season, so it's really hot outside and it's snapping and popping out there, and there's rain off and on. It's just way safer to film indoors than it is to film outside. Hello, drivers. What we're talking about today is the Uber upfront fares. I will insert into this video exactly what Uber upfront fares look like. Uber upfront fares are a new thing, well, as of February 2022 anyway. Before that, drivers did not know the destination of riders at all. Uber upfront fares are calculated the exact same way that all other fares are calculated, by time and distance. I used to pick up passengers all the time, and they would always ask me if I knew where they were going ahead of time, and I advised them because upfront pricing and trip radar had not been released by Uber yet. So I advised them that I didn't know. The drivers just don't know anything until the actual trip is started. Upfront pricing is definitely a good thing. It's definitely a good thing for all Uber drivers. It's a good thing for the safety of the gig economy. It's a good thing for Uber. It's just an awesome thing. So to recap here, Uber upfront pricing is a really good thing all the way around. It's a good thing for Uber, and it's a good thing for the drivers. It's a good thing for safety of the gig economy as a whole. If you got a story to share about your experiences with Uber upfront fares, I want to hear from you, definitely. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more information on the gig economy. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, drive safe and stay curious.